everyone and welcome to Suga's Kitchen. So Diwali is just around the corner and just making a very simple sweet in very easy steps. What you need for that is semolina, cream of wheat or ravai as we call it, sugar and cashew nuts and clarified butter or ghee. This is all you need and the finished product is something like this. So it's very easy on the stomach, not too much ghee, not too much cooking and suitable for people to eat of all ages. So what you have to do first is, in this measure, I have put 1 measure of semolina and I am going to take equal measure, that is the same measure of sugar, and cashew nuts and the rest of the nuts as much as you want. Ghee will be half of this. But you may not need the whole thing, you may need only half of it. So what you need to do is, first I put 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee and I am frying the semolina. You need to keep it on a low heat and fry till it becomes like crumbly. So only then it will powder well and it will give out a good aroma. So this is all the cooking that there is in the whole sweet. The frying part of it for about 4 minutes and keep it on a low flame because we don't want the semolina to get too brown and roasty. It should just become aromatic and crumbly. And when you put the semolina and the sugar together and powder it really fine so that you get a good fine powder which will hold when you put the ghee and make the round balls. So now already the aroma is there and the texture is just right. It is crumbled well with the ghee. Don't fry it in oil. I have used about 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee. Yeah, this is enough. Now let us allow this to cool. So I have powdered the rava, semolina and sugar into a fine powder and now I will just transfer it to a plate. The ghee should be warm. Now I will add the nuts. As much as you want. I have added badam, almond, cashew and kismis. So mix the nuts well. I have also added a little bit of cardamom or yelakki. Yeah, it's mixed well with the nuts. The ghee is slightly warm. Mix the ghee with the powdered semolina and sugar. Nothing can go wrong in this sweet because it will just hold itself with the ghee and it's very tasty, easy to eat and it's an old traditional sweet. Yeah, the ghee is mixed well. So now what you do is just make it into medium sized rava laddus. Don't crumble even after a week. It will just stay intact. And it's easy to distribute. Why I like it is it's an old traditional customary sweet. And also, although many new varieties of sweets have come, this was always the custom in South Indian households to make rava laddu along with whatever you make. And those days we never used to buy, we used to make only at home. So this was always a constant addition to the Mysore pak and the barfi and the other laddu, the besan laddu. Since the cooking time is less, it's more easy on the person who makes it. Yeah, that's the whole lot. So, equal measures of rava and sugar, some nuts. Whatever quantity you take rava, half of that ghee. And I have not even used the full amount of ghee. Still so much is left, but I just kept it ready. And nuts and elakka powder or cardamom powder. And this is the rava laddu for your Diwali.